Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're craving restaurant-grade pizzas in your backyard but hate the hassle of massive brick ovens or inconsistent gas grills that take forever to heat, then fire up your appetite because today we're unleashing a portable pizza powerhouse that's revolutionizing outdoor cooking. I'm talking about the Gozney Roccbox outdoor pizza oven. This compact dual-fuel beast reaches 950 degrees Fahrenheit to cook perfect Neapolitan pies in 60 seconds with that authentic wood-fired char. And it's built for easy transport with folding legs and a carry strap. Grab it on Amazon right now through the link in the description, and trust me, it's going to make your pizza parties, camping trips, and family dinners tastier, faster, and way more fun without the mess of traditional setups. Let's dive in and see why this oven is heating up the scene in 2025. First, the feature breakdown on the Gozney Roccbox outdoor pizza oven. This isn't your average backyard grill. It's Gozney's portable outdoor pizza oven designed for high heat performance with a compact, low-profile build that's easy to set up and store, weighing just 44 pounds for effortless portability. At the heart is the powerful gas burner that connects to standard propane tanks, reaching up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit for rapid cooking, delivering 12-inch pizzas in 60 seconds with unbeatable heat retention for consistent results every time. It also comes with an optional wood burner attachment for that authentic smoky flavour, allowing you to switch between gas for convenience and wood for taste. The oven includes a professional-grade pizza peel for launching pies, a bottle opener for those backyard brews, and a user manual with tips. The stone floor is thick corduroy for even heat distribution and crisp crusts, and the silicone Safe Touch jacket keeps the exterior cool while insulating for efficiency. Dimensions are about 21 inches deep by 16 inches wide by 18 inches high, making it ideal for patios, tailgates, or camping. Setup is simple. Unfold the legs, attach the burner to propane, light it up, preheat for 20 to 30 minutes, and start cooking. Priced around $499, it's a premium yet accessible option for serious pizza making with restaurant-grade quality. Versatility is huge. Beyond pizza, roast veggies for charred perfection, sear steaks for juicy tenderness, or bake flatbreads for quick appetizers. The dual fuel option lets you experiment with flavors, and it's great for Neapolitan, New York style, or even Detroit deep dish with the right techniques. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. Pros are massive. The ultra-fast heat up and 60-second cooks mean endless pizzas for parties without waiting. Dual fuel versatility gives wood-fired taste with gas ease. The portable design is sturdy for travel, and users love the professional results that rival expensive brick ovens. It's easy for beginners with no assembly, the stone delivers crisp crusts, and heat retention is quick for back-to-back pies. The price offers great value for the performance, and cleanup is simple with a grill brush. But no oven's perfect. The main con is the learning curve. It takes practice to avoid burning at high temps. The weight at 44 pounds makes it less portable for some. The wood burner is extra cost, and while hot, the exterior can get warm despite the jacket. Overall, pros dominate for pizza enthusiasts. My recommendation? Absolutely. Go for the Gozney Roccbox outdoor pizza oven if you want fast, flavorful pizzas anywhere. The pros like quick cooks, dual fuel options, and portability make total sense for backyard hosts, campers, or flavor chasers. It's not just an oven, it's your ticket to pro pies at home. Before we wrap, if these reviews heat you up, hit subscribe for more gear tips. Click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.